Alright guys, we got a good one today. What's good YouTube? It's your man, the son of some man.
Who's my son? Who's my son? Son, who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son?
And we are back with a brand new video. What's up guys? What's going on? How is everyone doing? Before we jump into today's video, please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button down below as we are on the journey, us to hitting 10,000 subscribers. You could be the subscriber to bring us that much more closer. Please do me a favor, do yourself a favor, hit that subscribe button down below. Also too, today's video sneakers is brought to you by J&M Sneakers. If you want to check them out, if you decide to purchase anything from them, just let them know your man, the son of some man, has sent you, and they'll take extra good care of you. I made sure of that today. So let's get into these shoes, man, because we got them early. This is the Christmas release. This is why I'm so so stunned. 2 months early. Things are just coming earlier and earlier and earlier. It's just I don't know, it's just something to think about. It really is. But anyway, yeah, these are the Air Jordan 11 metallic gold black Gratitudes, but they're DMPs, but with a little slight difference. But yeah, these are sexy, man. These are really, really sexy. Woo! Check these out. The Air Jordan 11. Woo! With the gold. Oof. Yeah, that just hits a little bit different. Got the leather upper. Dude he actually did remind me that the 72 and 10s have the black leather upper. Those are fire too. These are fire. These remind me of them, especially with the milky bottom. Oh my God, check that out. Yeah. Very, very clean shoe. I will be doing a detailed review, so make sure you stay tuned. Also, if you want to check out some flicks, I'll be taking some of these flicks. How I pair it up with my 8 and 9 gear on Instagram. Links are in the description. Make sure you check me out. I'm almost at 10,000 over there too. Building back up. I already had 30K. Then I got hacked, and now, like I said, I'm building it back up, almost up to 10K. So here it is. But yeah, man, what do you guys think of these, man? These are significantly fire. Yeah, coming out of my face a little bit, man. These are super, super tough, dude. Are you gonna be picking these up? Are you gonna stay tuned for the review and on foot? Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Like I said, it's free. It helps the channel grow. Give it a thumbs up. Do all the good stuff for the channel. I truly appreciate it. As always, guys, the holidays are going to be crazy. These things are definitely going to hit the shelves and right off the shelves. But as for resale price, I believe they'll probably go right around for retail, because they're going to make 1 million pairs of these guaranteed, especially that they're out now. These things are going to be all over the place. Whoever wants them is going to get them. Whoever wants them, if they try and get them, put the effort into it, they'll get them. Other than that, you're gonna be buying it from a reseller, because they're definitely gonna be scooping these up, man, because these are super, super fire. Really can't wait, like I said, for those on foot picks. Ooh, these are gonna be fire. But guys, what do you guys plan on picking up? I'd like to know. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys plan on picking up for the month of November. It is my birth month. November the 11th, that is my birthday, so I don't know. I definitely want to try and get my hands on those Royals. I believe J&M Sneakers has them. Also too, remember, like I said, J&M Sneakers, if you aren't familiar with them, there are links to the Instagram in the description. Make sure you check them out. If you shop with them, let them know your man, the son of some man, sent you, and they'll take good care of you 100%. But yeah, like I said, the Royals, I believe they have those too. I didn't see them there today. Maybe maybe they'll have them in when I bring these Gratitudes back. But yeah, man, huge shout out to J&M Sneakers. We appreciate you, man. 8 and 9. If you want to get familiar with 8 and 9, their links are in the description as well. They're the clothing brand that takes care of me. Also, guys, I'm probably gonna do a more of a detailed video about these two. But yeah, we had to I gotta pair them up. I got the pack. My wife bought the pack for me. What was this? 2015. We bought it from Nike Nate, I believe. I believe that's who we got it from. But anyway, yeah, let's see. These are the differences right here. Obviously, as you can see, you got your leather, and then you got the mesh on the upper. Obviously, the cut of the patent leather. But yeah, man, this is where it gets its inspiration from. You know what I mean? Well, this is where it gets its inspiration from, right here. You see my Jumpman is turning green. Yeah, you know, it's actually cracking too, I believe. That's what sucks. But I wore the heck out of these things, man. I actually wore them to what was it, Sneaker Con in Arizona, and they started to come apart on me. But yeah, I love this pack. I'll never get rid of this pack. This is definitely a shoe, you know, to I guess for me as a collector, you know, is a must keep, especially the 11, the Concord, the gold, just everything, just especially the box it comes in. Forget about it. I got to show you guys. Maybe I'll do a quick reel on that, on the you know, the pack, the 11, the DMP pack. Yeah, pretty much that's gonna be it for today's video. I want to thank you guys for tuning in. I truly appreciate it from the bottom of my heart, man. Until next time, it is your man, the son of some man, and we're out, guys. Peace.